discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Chrysler Town Country. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including rain-sensing wipers, blind spot sensor, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chrysler's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.